Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be focusing on LinkedIn and why it is essential in today's digital age. So let's dive in. When it comes to your career, professional networking can be a game changer, and LinkedIn helps you with this. Building your network, LinkedIn allows you to connect with colleagues, mentors, and potential employers. Expanding your network can open doors you didn't even know existed. Showcasing your skills. Use your LinkedIn profile as a digital resume to highlight your skills, experience, and achievements. It's a dynamic platform to present your professional story. Exploring opportunities. With its job search features, LinkedIn makes it easy to find the perfect job or freelance gig, so you can also follow company pages you're interested in and stay updated on their openings. Gaining valuable insights. Joining LinkedIn groups and participating in discussions can connect you with experts in your field. You can seek advice, share insights, and learn from others. Now, let's talk about the incredible reach of LinkedIn. It has over millions of members, and this global reach means you can connect with professionals worldwide, expanding your horizons behind your local market. Cultural diversity. This platform is incredibly diverse, reflecting various industries and cultures. This diversity can help you gain unique perspectives and insights. Inclusive community. LinkedIn promotes inclusivity, creating an environment where everyone's voice can be heard, and this inclusiveness fosters collaboration and innovation. Endless opportunities. Whether you're a job seeker, a business owner, or a freelancer, LinkedIn's vast user base presents endless opportunities to connect, collaborate, and grow. LinkedIn isn't just about networking, in fact, it is a career powerhouse. Finding your dream job. Use LinkedIn's job search filters to discover roles that match your skills and preferences. You can also set job alerts to be notified when relevant positions become available. Building a winning profile. Your LinkedIn profile is your digital business card, so make sure it shines by including a professional headshot photo, a compelling headline, and a detailed summary of your experience and skills. Discovering relevant job listings. LinkedIn's algorithm tailors job recommendations to your profile, making it easier for you to find opportunities that suits. Investing in your career growth. Heard about LinkedIn Learning? If not, do check it out as it offers a plethora of courses to enhance your skills. Continuous learning is a key aspect of career development, and LinkedIn provides the resources to do just that. Now, let's explore how LinkedIn keeps you informed about industry trends. Staying up to date. Follow industry thought leaders and influencers to receive regular updates on the latest trends, news, and innovations. Engage with industry leaders. Don't just passively consume content. Instead, engage with industry leaders by commenting, sharing, and participating in discussions. It is an excellent way to build relationships and establish your expertise. Share your own ideas. Don't be shy about sharing your insights and thoughts on industry related topics. Your contributions can position you as a thought leader in your field. Lastly, let's discuss how LinkedIn can help you enhance your personal brand. Grow your network, connect with professionals who share your interests and values, engage with their content, and consider collaborating on projects. Showcase your skills. Use the skills and endorsements section to highlight your expertise. Encourage colleagues and connections to endorse your skills, and you also can endorse their skills in return. Crowdsource ideas. Need input on a project or an idea? Then LinkedIn's diverse network is an excellent resource for this brainstorming and getting feedback. So, with that, we have come to the end of this video. So, update your LinkedIn profile and start connecting with peers and begin exploring the numerous opportunities this platform offers. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video informative, please consider connecting with us on LinkedIn. Link is in the video description below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such content. Until then, it's me, Tanvita, signing off. Thanks for watching.